Hello class and welcome to week 6 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, you will be continuing with the Health Learning module. For this week, you'll be looking at the Health Week 3 discussion board post, and after you've done everything for English 101, you should be able to reflect on what you have done, the readings, and so forth. So for this particular discussion board post, I want you to reflect on the readings from your English 101 class, Hormones and Food, Should You Worry, Sugar Overload, and Longevity Boosters. How do you connect with the ideas presented in the 3 articles regarding the health system and food industries? How did the information from the 3 articles extend your thinking? What challenges and questions do you have after reading these articles? Of course, I'd like you to formulate your ideas into 2 to 3 paragraphs by topic. Include at least 2 examples from the sources. Choose direct quotes or paraphrases, but remember, with direct quotes, you must introduce the speaker of the quote before the quote. The name of the speaker, a verb, and a comma. And then the quote, and then after the quote, you must explain the significance of the quote and how it's related to your topic. For paraphrasing, you will use your own words, but at the end, you will use in-text citations, that's parentheses with the last name of the author, space, the page or paragraph number, if there's a page or paragraph number. If not, then you just use the last name of the author. And don't forget to use a works cited entry at the end to an alphabetical listing of your sources according to MLA. And of course, you must respond to at least 2 peers to get full consideration for credit. After that, the following day, so this is near the end of the week, so please look at the calendar. You will be looking at the Module 2, Week 3, Reading and Writing Reflection. So you'll reflect on all that you've learned, and the skills and strategies you've utilized to do the work in English 101, what you've learned from the Lumen activities, the readings, the videos, the discussions, and so forth. What did you think, and now what do you think? How did you connect, extend, and challenge your thinking? What did you see, think, and wonder, and so forth? And don't forget that you must also respond to at least 2 peers. So organize your ideas into paragraphs by topic, provide 2 examples from the reading, use quotation marks to show the author's words, and so forth. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.